amethyst is a very sensitive material, but you're going to be forced to give up. His life will be threatened, and because you love him, you won't hesitate. It's a beautiful necklace. Did he give it to you? Yeah, but just like it. You gave it to her.